Good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Friday, October 27th. And yes, we're here another Friday, the last Friday in October. Uh, Based on yesterday's action, it doesn't look good. We have another down day today. Again, we're getting that Thursday, Friday, Monday scenario where we can set up ourselves for a really bad sell-off on Monday. Monday being the last Monday of October. But that being said, let's talk about the news and let's talk a little bit about the morning brief. What is the morning brief? It is process. That's all it is process. We go over the same things virtually every day, and that's to establish a routine. That's to establish a process that works. And that's what's going to give your trading stability. So we're looking at the news. What happened? Well, we have a core PCE. What is PCE? It's a major inflation thing that the Fed looks at. It was as expected, nothing there. Personal income was slightly less, but personal spending was more than expected. And this is one thing that's very interesting. A lot of times before a recession, people will spend the money that they have, knowing that they're not going to have any money in the future. It doesn't make any sense, but I think that's what's going on here. 9 a.m. we have Federal Reserve member, FOMC member Barr speaking. 10 a.m. we have the dreaded statistics from the University of Michigan's consumer sentiment and inflation expectations at 10 a.m. After 10 a.m., markets got nothing going on, is what it is. Europe will be switching over to daylight savings time, which the U.S. does not switch over until a week from now. Taking a look at the daily chart. So I kind of spread this thing out so we could see that we did hit a major bottom. We closed just above that major bottom. Let me shrink this up. You can see where I drew that line from back over here. It's actually a triple bottom. And we just barely closed above it. We're gapping up. If we close below this, it does look like that would be the third day down. Monday could actually end up being a up day. That being said, I saw an article on Flipboard about one of the pundits saying that if we got two consecutive closes below 4180, which we did, we were below 4180 yesterday, that is the line in the sand. We're going to break down much farther. I don't know if I buy into that, but it is certainly a triple bottom that if it is broken, it looks like the next level of support is down here around 3,900 or so. So where can we go today? So we actually have a really good resistance level at 4204. We could definitely go up and test that area. A close above that would be very bullish. If we break the low from yesterday, where could it go? I think it could easily come down and test this little high volume node at 4113. So it'll give you a bracket as to where it could go. Looking at the inventory, inventory is kind of interesting, down day, but inventory was up. And that makes me think that there's more buy the dip. Somebody's coming in here and trying to buy the dip. Will that be successful? I think we're getting closer and closer to the buy the dip people getting burnt and them capitulating, and that will be the big whoosh that we've been looking for. Looking at the intraday for intraday support and resistance, overnight action was about 25 S&P points, and that's about normal. So normal overnight action. Where do we have support or resistance? Resistance, we do have some resistance around 4185, and there's a big band around 4200, like 4195 to 4205 is a big band, lots of stuff in there. If it can get above 4205, the next level would be 4220-ish, I'm going to say. For support, got a little bit of support around the 4154 area and 4146. So there's about a 10-point band in there. There is support. Break that, it's going to go down to 4121 and we may get really close to 4100, 4102 next support level. Stock Trader's Almanac for today is only 38.1, so very negative bias for today. 38.1% chance the market will go up, which means we have a 62% chance the market will go down. That is from the Stock Trader's Almanac. That's all I've got for you today. Happy trading. See you Monday. Remember to subscribe, comment, and like. Have a great day. Hey, thanks for watching the Morning Brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.